Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a little chit chat, getting real with me. This is a sticker shop related video because I'm going to be talking about something that kind of deals with that, but it's not like your typical sticker shop where I'm like spilling all my secrets and whatever. It's going to be more of a, hey, here's how I've been feeling lately about things kind of video, which I debated even like putting this out there, but I was like, you know what, like I want to always be 100% transparent with you guys. I want to be real with you guys, and I want to share the good and the bad about running a sticker shop or owning your own business or anything like that. And this is definitely like that not so great thing to talk about. Like, I mean, let's be real. And so I debated talking about this, but I did mention in the last vlog that I uploaded, the one where I introduced my short hair. Ooh, I'm still not feeling it, but whatever. I talked about how I had just been feeling very frustrated and very tired, and I hate to use the word burnout because I feel like it kind of gets overused and it means different things for different people. So I don't really want to say burnout, but let's just say I was just not feeling it. I was not feeling it. And I actually considered, seriously considered closing my shop in January. So let's rewind a little bit. So all of last year was my best year in business, you guys, my best year in business. I doubled my income from the previous year. So in 2019, I doubled what I made in 2018, which was just insane to me, and it was awesome. And it was just like, finally, after all these years, my business was growing and doing what I wanted it to, and I was so excited. And I had one goal for last year. One goal. It wasn't even like business based really, but my one goal was that I really wanted to use the money that I made from stickers after, you know, putting money back into my business as far as supplies and taxes and whatnot. But my personal income, like what I actually got out of all that, I really wanted to pay for my grandma to go on her Hawaii cruise. So I first want to mention a couple of things. My grandma can completely take care of herself. She didn't need my help at all. I just wanted to help. But also, before I could pay for her cruise, I had to make sure that James and I's cruise was taken care of. So that's why it took me most of the year to accomplish that goal. Going on a cruise to Hawaii in May, and my grandma's always wanted to go. And my grandpa was going to take her, but my grandpa had MS and he was sick and he couldn't. And then in 2011, he passed away. So it has always been like a dream and a goal of mine to take her to Hawaii. And like, I'm gonna get all emotional, sorry guys. But it's something that I've always wanted to do. And so a couple years ago, well, at the end of 2018, Disney announced that they were doing Disney cruises to Hawaii, and we booked it like the day that we could. Like, we're platinum members, which means we've sailed on way too many Disney cruises, but like that allowed us, like the minute that they went up, like we could book it, which is awesome because it sold out very quickly. So we booked it, and my goal was that I could pay for my grandma's Hawaii cruise. And I worked really hard last year to make that happen, and I'm happy to say that I was able to help her with that. And I'm not saying that to brag, I'm just saying that as like a thank you, because I would not have been able to do that and help her with that and make that, like, you know, dream of mine come true if it wasn't for you guys supporting my channel and my business and everything like that. So anyway, that was my main goal last year. That was the only thing that I was really focused on. That was the only thing that I really wanted. And I made that happen. Well, you guys made that happen. But, and then once that was like done, I was just kind of like, okay, whew, I can breathe again. Like, you know, we did it, and we hit Black Friday. And Black Friday, I did decent. It wasn't like my best Black Friday, but it also wasn't my worst. But I also feel like at that point I was starting to get really tired of pushing and working hard, and I was like, I've already met my goals. So it was kind of like almost like I gave up in a sense. And then after Black Friday, I don't know, I just kind of like went into this weird like was not motivated to do anything. Like the whole month of December, I was just really off, really struggling with winter blues. And even in January and so part of this month, I've still been struggling, to be honest, you guys. Like, I'm so happy that spring is around the corner, you guys, because this winter has just been really difficult mentally. But I've been doing okay, but it's also just been a struggle, which I know a lot of people experience that because it's dark outside and it's cold and nobody wants to go outside when it's like that. So anyway, fast forward to January, I just could not get myself out of this funk that I was in. And I seriously considered just not doing YouTube, not doing sticker shop stuff. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I was just like, I'm tired. I don't feel like designing stickers. I don't feel like making videos. I don't feel like dealing with people, which sounds terrible. But I get like that whenever I get overwhelmed or I get just depressed or my anxiety is bad, I tend to withdraw. I don't want to deal with people. And that sounds terrible because nobody like did anything. There was like no negative comments. I mean, I'm sure there were negative comments, but it wasn't like that. It was just me being like, I just can't deal with it. I can't answer anybody else's question. I'm just frustrated. I don't want to do this. And I seriously considered closing my shop, you guys. I was so close. And then we hit the beginning of this month and I had a whole fiasco with my computer. And it was just like, this is a sign that I'm not supposed to be doing this. And I'm much better now. I finally think I'm like on the uphill of things, but it was just hard. And what was so frustrating to me during this time was to look at it and be like, Rachel, your shop is doing really well. Your YouTube channel is doing really well. This is what you've wanted the entire time. You've been able to do things that you only ever dreamed of doing, and you know, just everything like that. And it was so frustrating because it was like, I'm in a good place. Why am I struggling right now? And I just kind of wanted to like open up and talk to you guys about that, because I feel like that's something that, you know, most of the time whenever I see shops like wanting to quit, it's because they haven't had a lot of sales, or, you know, it's just been a really slow year, you know, whatever. And I don't really hear people say, oh yeah, my shop had its best year in business, but now I want to quit, you know? And it was just so frustrating for me during that time to be like, I don't know what I want to do. And I don't know. And I still have days where I'm just like, oh, like I don't want to do this. And it's not that I don't want to do this. It's just that I'm like in this weird mood, like depression. Depression really sucks, guys. And I don't talk a lot about having it because, I mean, I do have it. My anxiety is worse than my depression, but I do feel like this past couple months I've just been in such a like, oh my gosh, it's like taken all my energy just to get out of bed and to shower and function, you know? And so I kind of just wanted to talk about that. There's really no point to this video other than to share that. And that if you're feeling that way and you're going through that, it's okay to feel that way. Even if you're having like the best year in business ever, it's still okay for you to feel tired, for you to feel like you just don't want to do this or you have no motivation. And I think one thing that I would tell myself is to not be so hard on myself. I was so hard on myself because I was just like, you can't be like this because you just had a really good year. You're only supposed to get like this when things are going bad. But the thing is, like, you can still experience those things. You can still experience depression, or not even depression, but like you can still just experience those feelings even when things are going right, you know? And so hopefully if you got anything out of this video, it was that, because it's okay to feel the way that you feel, and it's okay to take a step back and focus on yourself, even if it hurts your business a little bit. Like, I would say that 2020 has not been the best for me as far as sticker sales and stuff like that, because I have not pushed it. I've not really worked my business. I just kind of fell off the face of the earth. But that's okay, because I was really trying to focus on taking care of myself. And I do feel like I'm a lot better. And just the one thing that I would tell myself, and that is to not be so hard on myself, and to just give myself some grace and some self-love, and you're gonna get through it. And you know what, if you get through it and you're just like, hey, this isn't for me, I don't want to continue doing this, that's okay too. you know, there's nothing wrong with that as well. I'm not in that place, guys. I'm so excited about my sticker shop. Actually, I got some really, really exciting news yesterday. I can't share it with you yet, but trust me, the minute that I can, I'm going to. But I'm so excited. So I'm not quitting my shop by any means. I'm not. But I definitely struggled, and I just wanted to share that with you guys because it happens. Life happens. Things aren't perfect, even when things are going your way. And I hear this so much, like, people will be like, well, what do you have to be anxious about, or what do you have to be depressed about? Like, everything's going your way in life. And yeah, maybe everything is going my way, but like, that's not how depression and anxiety work. It's not like oh, like everything's going well, so like that doesn't, like you don't have that. Like, you still have that. And it's okay to feel those feelings, even if things are going your way. And like, don't let anybody make you feel like it's not okay. Even yourself, like, don't even let yourself make you feel like that's not okay, because it is okay. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat, getting real with you guys. I just kind of wanted to share my heart with you guys and let you guys know, because I know a lot of people follow me and they're either shop owners, or they want to be shop owners, or they want to start a business of some sort, and it's not all roses and it's not all like rainbows and butterflies. There's definitely trials even in the good stuff, you know. And I just wanted to be real and share that with you guys, because you guys know I like to share, I like to talk about it. Let's talk about it. It's been a crazy month. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button, because I'm gonna do more of these like getting real videos and, you know, behind the scenes. I'm also going to be adding more content to my channel, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to be changing things up, so I hope that you guys are ready for that and excited. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.